Namaste everyone, welcome to Divya Charita. The great epic Mahabharata was written long back by Vedavyasa, who is also known as Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa. He is one of the 24 Vyasas. The interesting thing is that even Valmiki Maharishi, who wrote the Ramayana, is mentioned as one of the Vyasas. In today's episode, we will see the number of years some characters from Mahabharata lived on the earth. Krishna. Krishna was an avatar of Lord Vishnu. He manifested on this earth during the end of Dwapara Yuga to save Dharma. Krishna incarnated in this earth in the last quarter of the year 3227 BCE. He returned to Vaikunta in the year 3102 BCE. This calculates that he lived in this earth for 125 years and 5 months and 6 days. In fact, a group of archaeologists confirmed the exact date when Krishna returned to Vaikunta. As per the English calendar, the date is February 18, 3102 BCE. I also calculated that he returned to Vaikunta 5123 years ago as per the year 2021 CE. 2. Bhishma. Bhishma Pitama was 15 years elder to Satyavati. He was 37 years old when his father married Satyavati. Bhishma lived from the year 3394 BCE to 3138 BCE, which calculates that he lived for 256 years, 1 month and 26 days. I also calculated that he returned to heaven 5159 years ago as per the year 2021 CE. Drona. Dronacharya was the son of Rishi Bharadwaja. Bharadwaja Rishi was one of the Saptarishis who were created by Lord Brahma for teaching this world's people the good deeds to do and for avoiding the bad. But the topic of Saptarishis is so vast, so we have to make a separate video for that. Drona was slain by Drishtadyumna in the great Kurukshetra war. There aren't many researches to state the age of Drona when he died, but rough calculations show that he was around 115 years old when he died, which means he left this earth around 5159 years ago. Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira was born to Kunti on the 5th of June 3229 BCE. Yeah, today is the birthday of Yudhishthira. His father Pandu died when he was 16 years old. He went back to Hastinapur and then after a few years he built Indraprastha and ruled it till he was around 75 years old, which means he ruled Indraprastha till the year 3154 BCE. So he was around 90 years old during the war, which also means that the war took place in the year 3138 BCE. Then, after the victory of the war, he ruled Hastinapur for 37 years from 3138 BCE to 3102 BCE. Then he walked the mountain which leads to heaven and reached heaven by the end of the year 3105 BCE. He was 127 years old then. Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was born to Ambika in the year 3261 BCE. After that, he died when he was 161 years old, which is the year 3126 BCE. So, it has been 5121 years since he died. Duryodhana. Duryodhana was born to Gandhari and Dhritarashtra in the year 3228 BCE. He was 76 years old when the Pandavas started their exile. He was around 89 years old when he died in the hands of Bhima in the 18th day of the Great War. Shantanu. Shantanu was born to Prathipa and Sunanda. He lived for 115 years and died due to age-related complications. Karna. Karna was born to Kunti and Suryadev on the 1st of November 3245 BCE. He was crowned the king of Anga when he was 24 years old. He was 16 years elder to Yudhishthira. He was married to Vrishali in the year 3223 BCE when he was 16 years old. He was 93 years old when the Pandavas started their exile. He was 107 years old when he died. Vidura. Vidura was born to a maid and Vyasa. He was born in the year 3258 BCE. He was an avatar of Lord Yamaraj. Later, when Dhritarashtra, Gandhari and Kunti decided to live in the forest, Vidura also went with them and died in the forest before everyone in the year 3126 BCE. 10. Bhima. Bhima or Vrikodhara was born to Kunti and Pandu in the month June 3226 BCE. He was 76 years old when he and his brothers started exile. He was 126 years old when he died, which means he died in the year 3105 BCE. Arjuna. Arjuna was born to Kunti in the December of 3225 BCE. He died in the year 3105 BCE and his age was 125. Nakula and Sahadeva. Nakula and Sahadeva were born to Madri in the December of 3224 BCE. They also died in the year 3105 BCE and their age was 124. Draupadi. Draupadi emerged from the yagya conducted by Drupada in the year 3220 BCE. She was 25 years old when she emerged and she married the Pandavas in the year 3188 BCE when she was 30 years old. Draupadi died in the year 3105 BCE when she was 121 years old. Kunti. Kunti was born in the year 3271 BCE and she gave birth to Karna when she was 26. Then she gave birth to the Pandavas while marrying Pandu between the years 3229 BCE and 3225 BCE. She returned to Kailash in the year 3126. I said she returned to Kailash instead of die because she is an avatar of Siddhi, the wife of Ganesha. Gandhari. Gandhari was born on the year 3252 BCE. She gave birth to the Kauravas from the year 3228 BCE. From she was 24 years old. She died in the age of 126 in the year 3126 BCE. And now we have come to our last character, who is Abhimanyu. He was born around the year 3158 BCE, which is about 4 years before the Pandavas and Draupadi started their exile. But there is a reason for Abhimanyu's early death at his 16th year. Abhimanyu is an avatar of the son of Varunadev, the god of rains. Varunadev's son wanted to come to this earth and see how the living was. Varunadeva said, "You can go and live, but I will miss you so much, so come back soon." In 16 years. And that's why Abhimanyu died in the Chakravyuha when he was 16. Thank you.